We'll guide you through how to add an electronic signature in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop and select the document where you need to add your signature. Once your document is open, go to the top menu and click on the Insert option. From the drop-down menu, choose Drawing, and then click on +NEW. This will open a drawing canvas where you can create your signature. In the drawing window, look for the line tool in the toolbar, click on it, and select the option that says SCRI This allows you to draw freehand. Use your mouse or trackpad to write your signature directly onto the canvas. Take your time to make sure it looks right. Once you're happy with your signature, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your signature will now appear in your document. You can click and drag to adjust its size or reposition it as needed. Keep in mind that the drawing tool is great for simple signatures. But if you need something more precise, consider using a stylus on a touchscreen device to create the signature and then upload it as an image. To do this, you can create your signature in an image editing app and save it as a PNG file. Then go back to Google Docs, click Insert, choose Image, and upload your saved signature file. This method is especially useful if you require a higher quality signature for official documents. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.